Hello everyone. মই আজি কুইজৰ কেমেৰা ওমেন সৰি এয়া আমাৰ হোষ্ট জয়শ্ৰী মেম আৰু এয়া আমাৰ পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্টছ ধৃতি ৰাজবংশী অভিজিত আৰু সাদিকা আহমেদ অভিজিতৰ টাইটেলটো বনিয়া হৈ ক'ব পাহৰি গৈছিলোঁ এনিৱেজ এতিয়া আমি কুইজ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিম বাই বাই আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব লাইক আৰু কমেণ্ট কৰিব পাহৰি নাযাব থেংক ইউ Welcome to our channel Ashwatha Aduham and today we are going to organize a quiz on photosynthesis in plants. We have with us contestants of dropper batch, lead dropper batch, Shriti Rajbangsi, Abhijit Bonia and Sadiq Ahmed. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Fully prepared? So all of you know the rules. Those who know the answer has to first raise the hand. Okay? So all the best to all of you. Now let's start. So the first question is the most abundant plant enzyme on earth. I think photographer is the one who is going to. Didi will give the answer. The most abundant enzyme on earth is Rubisco. Very good. So you can take your first prize. Next question. If the carbon dioxide compensation point of a plant is 5 ppm, it will be dash plant.
5.
Okay, Sadiq is going to answer. You have to be fast. Okay, Abhijit.
C3 plant.
Wrong. Nobody is getting the prize. Now you will not get a chance because obviously there are two options only, either C3 or C4. Because we know that CO2 compensation for C4 plant is very low. It is from 0 to 10 ppm. So if it is 5 ppm for a plant, definitely it should be what? A C4 plant. Okay, let's move on to the next question. In which year Melvin Kelvin got Nobel Prize in Chemistry? Anyone? In which year Melvin Kelvin got Nobel Prize? Nobody is answering. Guys who are watching the video, if you know the answer, please do drop the answer. Next question. Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen in which year?
No.
Okay.
Early 70s.
Okay, you have to give me the exactly date.
Date
I mean, date in the sense the year, exact year. It is 1770s early, but exactly the year is
1769.
we will lose the chance. Anybody wants to try? So the year is 1774. Okay. Now the next question. Who proposed that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis? Okay, let me have a check. So from the video it is clear that it was Triti who first raised the hand. So who proposed that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis?
Ma'am, John Ingenhouse.
Jen Ingenhouse. Okay, you can take your prize. Other two are yet to open their account. Now the next question goes by, what alga was used by T.W. Engelmann to show that to show the action spectra of photosynthesis? Yeah, you are disqualified because you raised before I completed the question.
Ma'am, Cladophora.
Cladophora is the correct answer. So it was T.W. Engelmann working on Cladophora with a suspension of aerobic bacteria, and he found what?
That blue and red light is important for
Photosynthesis. That is called as the action spectra of photosynthesis. Now the next question is, light reaction of photosynthesis occurs in, I think it's Sadiq.
Organic.
Part of the organelle.
Chloroplast.
No, specifically. Light. Thylakoid. Yes, that is the correct answer. You have to be very specific when you give an answer. Listen to it carefully. What is the color of chlorophyll B? I think all of them have raised their hands together. So I'm cancelling the question. Next question. Immersion enhancement effect led to the discovery of GT.
Photosystem 1 and 2.
Okay, it led to the discovery of two discrete pigment system or photosystem. Next question. In cyclic photophosphorylation, the vacancy in the reaction center chlorophyll A molecule is filled up by which electron carrier? Sadiq. একো নাই
So, photosystem 2.
No, wrong. Dhiti.
Plastocyanin.
Plastocyanin is the correct answer. In cyclic photophosphorylation, from plastocyanin, the electron is transferred back to the reaction center, isn't it? Next. Which element is required for splitting of water? Dhiti.
Manganese.
Okay, manganese is the correct answer. She is nearing towards the grand prize. You have to gear up, buckle up soon. Okay, the electron carrier plastocyanin has which cofactor? Sadiq.
Copper.
Copper. Copper is the correct answer. দেরি হয়েছে. What is the other name for non-cyclic photophosphorylation? Abhijit.
Non-cyclic Z scheme.
Z scheme is the correct answer. So he has opened his account. Okay, next question. How many Kelvin cycles are required to produce one molecule of glucose? Both of them have raised their hand earlier. Sylvia, Abhijit. How many Kelvin cycles are required?
6.
6 Kelvin cycles are required to produce one glucose molecule. Who experimentally proved that evolution of oxygen is from water, not from CO2 during photosynthesis? Both of you are disqualified because you raised your hand earlier.
Ruben and Kamin.
Ruben and Kamen. The total number of ATP and NADPH2 required to synthesize one molecule of glucose in maize. Sadiq.
ATP and NADPH, no?
30
30 ATP, 12 NADPH.
ATP and 12 NADPH2. Okay, you can take your prize. Chemiosmosis requires a membrane, a proton gradient, and Sadiq. A membrane, a proton gradient, and
Proton pump.
proton pump. That's the correct answer. Okay, very easy one. The first stable product of C3 plant. It's very difficult to actually, see. Which one? Who? Know that it was 3T. The first stable product of C3 plant.
Ma'am, PGA.
PGA. Phosphoglyceric acid. Okay. Next question. The cell organelles involved in C2 cycle or photorespiration are Sadiq.
Chloroplast, peroxisome, mitochondria.
Chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. Next question. The primary acceptor molecule in sugar cane is Sadiq.
Acceptor. PEP, phosphoenol
PEP.
pyruvate.
Phosphoenol pyruvate. Okay, now it's interesting. Next question. Who proposed the law of limiting factors? Disqualified.
Who proposed the law of limiting? Blackman.
Blackman proposed the law of limiting factor. Okay, where does accumulation of proton occur during chemiosmosis? Disqualified, both of you. Where does accumulation of proton occurs during chemiosmosis?
Where?
Where?
Lumen of thylakoid.
Lumen of thylakoid. ইয়াৰ আগৰ কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ চকলেট লৈছিলা নে লৈছিলা okay next question which radioisotope was used to experimentally prove that O2 evolves from H2O not from CO2 Sadiq
18.
18 oxygen isotope isn't it it was heavy isotope of oxygen O18 you can take your chocolate okay now it's a bit tough competition you have to keep your ears open what is the major sorry what is the major limiting factor for C3 plants Abhijit
Major limiting factor for C3 CO2.
carbon dioxide is the major limiting factor for C3 plants okay if the proton concentration between the lumen of thylakoid and stroma becomes equal what will happen okay
No ATP synthesis.
no ATP synthesis because for ATP synthesis there should be always a gradient. Now it's nice, all of you are like equal. Let's see who will crack it. During CAM pathway, sorry, malic acid produced during night is stored in which cell organelle? Disqualified.
During night.
Night.
Vacuole.
Vacuole is the correct answer. Cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay, listen to it carefully. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the vacancy in PS1 is filled up. Okay, Dhriti.
Vacancy in
No,
PS1
क्या है तो?
मैम प्लास्टोसायनिन
It is filled up by plastocyanin. Okay, correct. Next question. What is the cofactor in the electron carrier plastoquinone? Kun? Abhijit. So the answer, the cofactor of plastoquinone is?
Iron.
Iron is the correct answer. Cranch anatomy is the characteristic of dash plant. I think it's Sadiq.
C4.
C4 plant.
हालातों से हाल कर
The next question. What is the first step of dark reaction? Sadiq.
Carboxylation.
Carboxylation is the first step. Okay. What is the enzyme used in C4 pathway? Disqualified 3T.
enzyme used in
C4 cycle.
मैम हेरी पेप्केज
Pepcase is the correct answer. So their mission is complete of obtaining all the chocolates. Now they're aiming for the grand prize. So let's see what will happen. So shall I put a very tough question? Or easy question is okay, fine. Which one do you prefer? Which plant factor is responsible for affecting photosynthetic yield?
which plant
Factor is responsible for affecting photosynthetic yield. She has already raised her hand. Which plant factor is responsible for
plant factor means मैम organ
plant factor?
photosynthetic yield
If you can't answer, we will pass it to Abhijit. Okay, we will pass it to Abhijit. Which plant factor affects photosynthetic yield? Okay, we'll pass it to Sadiq.
Try करो.
Koro?
Quantity of chlorophyll.
Yes, chlorophyll content. So the final winner is Abhijit.
Hi.
Congratulations to all of you. So keep watching our channel Ashwath Haiduha, and next time we will come with another group of students with another topic. So keep watching us.